am Jacqueline Linder. I go by Jackie. I'm a certified nurse midwife, and my favorite part of the day is coming home at the end of the day and being greeted by my husband and my 2 little girls and my mom. I was part of a delivery through our OB/GYN rotation, and I was hooked immediately. It was the best, coolest thing I'd ever seen. And I came home and I was like, this is what I'm going to be when I grow up. I really love my job because it is transformative. So whether a person is having a baby or going through menopause, both of those experiences are really a transformative period of time in a person's life. And it is my life's calling, my thing that brings me the most joy to hold people's hands through those processes.